have a trip tomorrow and my hair is not done, my skin is not shaved, I need to do some skin prep. So let's do some midnight maintenance before my trip. I don't know why I waited till last minute to do all of this. No, I know why. This week was hectic. Like, it was busy. This week was actually so busy. So today's the only time like I had to do all of this. So I'm gonna do it. I'm leaving my hair out curly and I'm gonna do some, I'm gonna do a bath, do my shower routine, just a self-care night. Overall, also I wanna do some skincare, dermaplane. For the girlies in my community, welcome back. But if you don't know me, my name is Sada. I do self-care, self-improvement, hygiene, be the best version of yourself. So that's what my channel is. I usually don't introduce myself, but you know what? For any new viewers, new subscribers, hey, welcome. If you like it here, stay. You're welcome. Today, I went to a couple of places because this weekend I'm actually going to Florida. I'm gonna be vlogging that. That's gonna be like just a very chill, like that type of trip vlog. The wedding is on Saturday. We're leaving tomorrow. When I say we, it's me and my sister. Also, it's Memorial Day weekend, so it's like she's off Monday, which is perfect because we're coming back Monday. We have like the whole Sunday. Florida is very humid, so should I leave my hair out? I'm still gonna do it because my hair's been in braids for the past 2 weeks and it's time to take it out. Like, I feel like I should have taken it out probably like 5 days ago, but this week I had a lot to do. Also, one of my family members had to be taken care of for like 3 days, so I was like, I don't want to deal with my hair while dealing with all this, so I just left the braids. You don't know how many days I was itching. I was like, I need to take this out. So today we're gonna do some scalp prep and how to take that buildup out of your scalp, like after braids or anything like that. Okay, I took out all my braids. It didn't take a long time. It took like, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. One thing I do every time I take out braids is I have to detangle because I used to not detangle and then go wash my hair. When I get there, it's so tangled up, I can't put shampoo through I can't put my fingers through my hair. So one thing I learned is get a brush and just do it by section. I usually do it like as I'm unbraiding my hair, I will detangle it, but I didn't do it today. I forgot. Midway, I was like, I have to do this. So I go from the bottom, detangle all the way up. And what this does is basically just helps take out like, the natural shedding we have throughout the week. Throughout the 2 weeks I had from braiding my hair, it's all stuck in there. So once I do it by sections and detangle my hair, then it makes it easier when I get inside the shower or the tub to wash my hair. Did you know Target has unbrushed brush now? Oh, and their selection of colors, I was like, but I wonder if that's like the real one because I know a lot of people are like making dupes of the unbrush. So I wonder if that's like the real one, but like, how do we know what's real or what's not? I got this one from Amazon and then I got the blue one from Target. Also, I know I've been talking about getting a trim for my ends, especially like I want my ends cut so that it could be healthy, but also like kind of shaping it. I feel like my hair just like is down, no shape to it, but I don't want it to be too short. So what I'm gonna do is like mid-June, before like the big trip that I have in June, I want to get a curly cut. I'm just gonna do a curly cut. I've never went to a curl bar, anything. Since like freshman year of college, I wanted a new look, so I went and got a diva cut and she lopside cut it. I regret going so much and she cut a lot. So that's why I've been like waiting to go to some kind of curly hair salon. I found one in Maryland. I feel like Maryland has so many good curly hairstylist. So I found a couple. My sister found some too because she also wants to do a curly cut. We might go together, I don't know, but I definitely want that curly cut. So I'm trying to wash my hair, take a bath, shave, and also do skincare. So this might take a while. Hopefully I don't go to bed too late. My flight is not like really early in the morning. I just wanted to get everything done now. This is not an ad, but if I can advise you on something, if you're looking to open a credit card, build up your credit or, get the beginner credit card. I did like Discover stuff, but then get a travel credit card. The way both of our flights were free because of the points I had, I didn't know it was this easy. I was like, wait, I could just have free flights? The one I have is Chase. If you want to travel a lot, which that's what I want to do, just use that card on groceries, gas, whatever you need to, and just pay it off on time, get the points, you'll get free flights, discounts on hotels and stuff like that. I did not know it was this easy. I was like, wow, I could have gotten it last year, like when I graduated college. Yeah, I just want to let you know because when I find out something, I'm like, why isn't everyone on this? But I know like not everybody wants to travel. Like some people just want that cash back instead of like points, travel points. I couldn't believe, I was like, free flights? Because I was going to Trader Joe's and Target. Anyway, I'm done. I detangled everything and now I'm gonna go wash my hair. I am so ready. Oh, let's do some scalp prep. That's what I was gonna show you. So I have like this container. It doesn't have anything in it. I'm gonna put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. It looks like it has stuff on it, but it's really the mother, if you can see the chunks. But that's like good bacteria. But apple cider vinegar is really good to clarify your scalp. Also like eliminate the odor, pH balance, like if it's off. One thing I'll say is dilute it. Never do it straight up. So I put like a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And then I just spray it on my scalp. It's gonna start to itch because of like all the buildup. If you look really close to my scalp, I have flakes because of the gel, the cream, the products. Also, I've been oiling my hair and all of that just builds up because it doesn't have anywhere to go. So it just turns into like these white flakes. I'm trying to get rid of that because that's what causes the odor, like that old hair greasy smell. I don't like that. Also like in between the braids. And I'm so glad to get my curls back because like I wanted a break from it. One thing about me is if I do a hairstyle, I'm like, I'm tired of my curls. And then like a couple weeks later, I'm like, I want my curls. I'm tired, I don't want it. It just keeps going back and forth. Scalp health, you want it to be clean. If you want your hair to grow, make sure it's clean. Did I show you my nails? No, I didn't. I just did my nails this morning. Are you ready to see the first set of summer nails? Look at them. It's like leopard with cherry on it. It's not 3D or anything. I kept it simple. If you remember my last set, it was very much 3D, pearl, springtime look. And this time I was like, let me do something simple. This month, I'm gonna do a lot of like hands-on things. Oh, my scalp is itching. But from far away, it kind of looks like cow prints. Doesn't really look like leopard. But I'm glad I actually got my nails done. It was time for me to change it. I was gonna wait till next week to do it, but I was like, you know what? Let me just do it before Florida. Scalp prep is done. And now we're finally gonna wash my hair. Okay, I'm out of the bath. I took a shower right after the bath. The bath actually felt so good because I kind of have cramps right now. So I took the bath and it felt like that heating pad. And I feel better. Kind of having breakouts right here. I know what to put because I have not had chest acne in a while. So I'm just going to put this Rescue Balm, Hero Balm. I usually put it for my face. Like if I have any like breakouts or pimples, and I'm gonna treat it like my skincare. Something about this rescue balm, the next morning I wake up and like the blemish or pimples like flattened or like halfway gone, not fully obviously. But now to my hair. I want it to dry before going to bed. It's already late, you already know that, but I have to stay and edit this video actually, so I'm like, I can let it dry a little bit, put it up before bed, and tomorrow when I wake up it's gonna be stretched out a little bit. I miss my curls, like it feels so soft after the deep treatment, deep conditioner. Do you see the length also? You already know I use As I Am leave-in cream gel, but this is the Jamaican black castor oil restore and repair, and this is the like the classic gel, because they don't have the gel in this line. But I've been using it the past couple of like months, this whole year 2024. Something about it just gives me extra shine. You already know I have to drench my hair because I can't put any products if it's dry, halfway dry. I'm just gonna use this. I got this from Target. It's like in the $5 section. I was like, this is perfect for spray bottle. It's just heavy because it's like glass. It'll do the job. One thing I'm trying to like test out is different hair gels. If you have a favorite curly hair gel that really helps like define your hair but also hold it, you have low porosity like mine and 3B, 3C, let me know. Okay, because I do have low porosity, so with that I feel like water-based gels I don't like how it feels on my hair. So if you have any like maybe oil gel, or it is water gel but like feels like oil gel, let me know. Just a little bit, not even a lot, because it's like I'm doing it by section. And when I say like massage your curls, if you do have curls, it doesn't matter if it's any curl type, massage your curls so that your curls know where to sit. And then I go in with the same line, cream, curl cream. Did it just break? That's why it was $5. The sink it is. You ugly anyway. I'm done, but my hair just naturally wants to go in the middle because I braided my hair and parted in the middle. I'm gonna let my hair dry as I do my skincare, and then I'm done. So the first thing I do before even putting a razor blade to my face is make sure my face is clean so that there's no bacteria, nothing, like as I'm, you know, making micro cuts on my face basically. So I double cleanse, oil, and then regular face wash. The regular size face wash is downstairs, but I have my travel one that I'm gonna put in my suitcase, but I'm just gonna use it now. I'm gonna use aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plant works best for me when I do this. And then I just got new Hydro Silk razors. I don't know they had one, but apparently they do. I might just put, I've been loving this Topicals Faded Eye Mask. Like it really does something. It like brightens my under eyes because I struggle with dark circles. It doesn't look dark whenever I put like a bunch of lights on, but I still struggle with it. So I might put this on. this blade is sharp. I underestimated how sharp this is. I usually get like the ones from like Dollar Tree, which is duller, and I was going ham. And I actually cut myself a little. But it's good because it's not like a huge cut. It was just like a little minor. Anyway, be careful when you do this. I am all done. I feel ready for my trip this weekend. Hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do something quick before, just so it could be something like more casual. I want to start doing like more videos like this where I just do it and post. But thanks so much for watching, and